Chia seeds, a nutrient-dense superfood with numerous health benefits, can be a great addition to your smoothies. These little seeds are packed with protein, fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, and antioxidants, making them a nutritional powerhouse. Adding chia seeds to your smoothie can help you feel full and satisfied for longer, aiding in healthy weight management. The high fiber content in chia seeds helps to regulate digestion and promote a healthy gut. Chia seeds absorb liquid and become gel-like, which can help thicken your smoothie and give it a creamy texture. To use chia seeds in your smoothies, simply add a tablespoon or 2 to the blender along with your other ingredients. You can also soak chia seeds in water or your choice of liquid before adding them to your smoothie to achieve a softer texture. Chia seeds have a mild, nutty flavor that pairs well with various fruits, vegetables, and other smoothie ingredients. They won't overpower the taste of your smoothie but can enhance its nutrition and texture. Incorporating chia seeds into your smoothies can provide a sustained energy boost, making it an ideal choice for breakfast or a pre-workout snack. The healthy fats in chia seeds can support brain health, reduce inflammation, and improve heart health. In addition to smoothies, chia seeds can also be used as a topping for oatmeal, yogurt, or salads. These versatile seeds can absorb flavors, so you can experiment with different combinations to create unique smoothie recipes. Remember to drink plenty of water when consuming chia seeds since they absorb liquid and may cause dehydration if not properly hydrated. Thank you for watching. Please consider visiting liquidfood.net and joining our email outreach program for a freebie.